If you're thinking about buying a home in Utah, this could be one of the most important videos that you'll see. I'm sure you'll agree that looking online or on the MLS to try to find a home, it's a difficult way to find them. There's not that many available, at least that many that you'd be interested in. And you've probably noticed the homes that are on there are the overpriced pick-through properties. So I'm here to let you know that there's a much better way to find a home, and that's with my Dream Home Finder program. The way the Dream Home Finder program works is you tell me exactly what you're interested in, all the way down to the smallest details, home amenities, location, and price, and we'll find it for you. We start by searching through our list of secret homes with hundreds that are currently available. These homeowners are interested in moving immediately if we find them the perfect buyer. However, they're not listed on the MLS. We also have several hundred homes that homeowners have told us they are considering moving, and we are able to search this database of homes to find the perfect match as well. If we aren't able to locate your dream home through these resources, don't worry. This is how we build our extensive list of off-market properties. We go out and find homes using our own resources. We use our own money, and we reach out to the areas and to the homeowners in the areas that you're interested in. And we find people that are in the considering stages of selling their home. So what this allows us to do is show you homes that aren't even on the market that nobody knows about. It allows us to negotiate with the sellers to get the right price for you. But more importantly, it allows you to get the home that you really, truly want. Now this does many things for you. Not only does it give you the opportunity to buy a home without the competition, because nobody knows about these properties. What it also does, it takes all the stress out of the home buying process. If you have a house that you need to sell and you want another home, have you ever tried to buy a house and sell a house at the same time? It's one of the most stressful situations I've ever seen homeowners go through. It's a difficult process, so this takes all that away. You don't have to put your home on the market yet. Find your dream home first. Once you find it, and once we've negotiated the price and you're happy with that, then we can negotiate terms with the seller that are favorable for both of you. Because remember, they didn't have their house on the market. So if you need a few extra months or they need a few extra months, we can negotiate that into the terms. Now you can put your house on the market and we'll get it sold for you quickly. So it's the most beneficial way to buy a house. And again, you're going to end up getting what you want without spending a lot of time doing it. So let me ask you a question. Would you sell your home if you found the perfect home to move to? That's step number one. And once we get that done, then we'll get your home sold for you. So I'm sure there's a specific type of house that you're interested in. Maybe there's a specific school that you want the kids going to. Maybe you're looking for great views of the mountains or of the valley. Maybe it's a house with a large yard or even a home with a mother-in-law apartment. You have a specific house and location that you have in mind. Well, let's beat all the other competition to it. You tell me exactly in detail what you're looking for, and we will find the property for you. And there's no obligation. If we don't find a home, you don't have to buy anything. So if you're ready to find your dream home with no stress, no effort, and no expense to you, give me a call at 801-654-0266. Again, there's no obligation. Give me a call and let's chat about what you're looking for in your dream home, and I'll go out and find it.